General college readiness. This is an ongoing process. Just know that college readiness is a set of skills, behaviors, and knowledge that you will begin to develop in high school and strengthen throughout college.
True college readiness requires both academic and real-world skills. In fact, the ability to solve problems, work in a team, and be resourceful are viewed by some experts as equally important to mastering mathematics and reading.
Essential soft skills for college readiness include time management, critical thinking, communication skills, networking, goal setting, collaboration, problem solving, and accountability. EMCC has a host of programming and support to help you build these skills. The first one is ROAR. One of the ways EMCC promotes college readiness is through our incoming student orientation, called ROAR.
This orientation guides you through the first steps of becoming a college student. From finding out your field of interest, or FOI, to getting in contact with your advisor. With this resource, you only have one thing to worry about: getting to your classes on the first day.
Instructor office hours or support hours help build these skills by offering to connect with students one-on-one. This is where the professor sets scheduled time for students to ask questions regarding material or as a way to connect with students on a one-to-one basis regarding career prospects or ways to better support the student. This is a valuable resource to deepen your understanding of content from your classes and to get to know your instructor more. The time for office hours can be found on your syllabus. Faculty also post their hours outside their office.
FYE, first year experience classes, help build these skills by focusing on exploration of career fields, goal setting, utilizing career assessments and college resources. These courses also help you develop interpersonal skills, financial literacy, or other important life skills.
EMCC has a peer-led program to enhance college readiness by helping students navigate the college experience through personal connection and collaborative learning of essential skills. The campus offers evolving peer programs that help college students navigate their first year and build essential real-world skills. From learning to make interpersonal connections and getting involved with your community, these programs help develop skills that are useful not only in the classroom but beyond. Getting involved in peer programs is a great way to be connected to your campus community and learn essential career skills like working in a group towards a common goal, networking, and personal motivation.